Odion ighalo don't come out to come talk saying they ready to stay for inside Manchester United to go reach the end of this season. The Nigerian striker will be Odion ighalo won't play gamble with him contract with the Chinese club will be Shanghai Shenhua, saying won't finish this season for inside Manchester United. This one come me say the former Watford striker won't play risky with a new £75 million contract where the Shanghai Chiefs that they plan to give him. This one come me say Odion ighalo for come be the highest paid for inside Africa. So the sport to retake carry us enter inside France go meet Yama. The legendary Super Eagles goalkeeper will be Vicente Yama don't come out to come here saying they ready to play for inside Premier League before he go stop to dey play football. Yama where they lock down for inside France don't come out to come talk say he not get any club where he go choose to go. Say but he won't just play for inside Premier League even if say na one day. Make we sharply just throw enter inside England. Jose Mourinho don't come out to call hey Frank Lampard will be Chelsea manager. Saying trust, I believe say the ex-Chelsea player get everything to do well for inside Chelsea. Lampard the website they carry come coach Chelsea after when Maurizio Sarri waka come out to go Juventus. This na man about reporting for Pidgin News Network.